Hi guys, I really love surfing. Unfortunately, I can't do it every day. But when I do, I would like to surf longer and catch more waves.
Right. If I don't go out surfing often enough, I don't get the physical endurance to enjoy the quality session I want. So we wanted to come up with a solution to give me, Alex, and everybody else, regardless of the physical condition, the power to enjoy this incredible sport to the fullest. This is how Boost Surf was born.
We spent a lot of time trying to find a perfect balance between shape, power, and battery life. The components are compact enough to where we are able to put them in, house them into a streamlined casing that allows for minimum drag while you're paddling or riding.
I'm not gonna lie, that thing impressed me. I wasn't expecting it to have that much boost, that much power. Had no issue catching them. I was like catching ripples. Dude, the black looked so sick. And like whenever I did a turn, you kind of lose speed in the turn. Yeah. Like I wasn't ready for it. It boosted. It boosted.
So if you take it out, right, then you're gonna put the adapter. Here we go. You put the fin on top of it. So pressing the button now, and the fin starts. Pretty simple installation. Now you can go press the button, case the wave, get to the lineup. Pretty simple. We've been working on Boost for more than a year now, and it's so close to get launched, but we need your help.
Yes, today we need your support to start mass production and make surfing available as never before.
Thank you.
you.